I'm down here in Panama City, Florida, TDY to the shipyard here for a program management review, and I managed to score this bike here for $100 off Facebook Marketplace. All right, Friday afternoon, 4 o'clock, just finished up work. It's beautiful, 84 degrees. Gonna take the bike for a spin. Right now, trying to get downtown, and the bike's fast. Not bad for $100. Just look how old and small these houses are. Made out of brick, tin roofs. At this point in the ride, I realized I was about a quarter of the way to the beach and decided to push on. All right, well, I'm about 9 miles in and trying to bike over to the beach side over the bridge, and let me flip the camera around. All right, so trying to go over there. Gotta go over that bridge, and not sure if it's gonna let me. So I guess I'll just keep going and see what the deal is. Okay, so update here quick. Turns out there is a sidewalk that goes over the bridge, and it's really loud up here, very windy. But about 10 miles from the start now. So 10 miles home. But I think I got another 3 miles to the beach, so we're gonna try it. Well, I made it to the beach. 8.68 plus 5 point, so let's go 9 plus 5, 14 miles. So 14 miles back. Now I'm just checking it out. Gonna find some place to eat. I'm going there for dinner. So I was wondering why there wasn't a single person in the water, and here's why. So water closed to public due to rip currents, and the flags are flying. So I presume that's why nobody's in the water. Hitting up Pineapple Willie's for dinner here. Just finished a delicious dinner. Had some mahi-mahi with some pineapple salsa. Now I gotta bike back. So looking at the beach, don't really want to. Might catch an Uber, we'll see. All right. Woo! Made it up the bridge. Coming back down the Backside now from the beach. All right, a lot of gnats out, and I just was eating them on the way back. So that was fun, but made it.